Hey everyone, so I locked myself out of the car. When I was doing a modification, I had to pull the rear door panel off, and I must have reconnected my handle wrong because I cannot open the door. And I thought it was part of the child safety feature, and now it's just totally stuck. So I thought I'd take an opportunity to go ahead and show you how to remove this door panel, since I have to do it anyway. All right, there's two screws that you need to worry about taking off. One is behind this, so you can just get back here and pop this off, and there's that screw there. And the other screw is going to be in here, in the handle area. So you just go ahead and pop this off, pardon my hand, and you'll see that screw there. So you pull those two out, and then we're going to get to removing the clips around the door. Okay, next we need to pop the pins from the door panel that hold it onto the door. I highly recommend using some of these plastic panel pullers. You can find a whole bunch of them on Amazon. So I'm going to start from the bottom and just wedge my way in here and see if we can't find where those panels are. So here's one. Just pop it out and work your way around. So once you've got those panels popped away, simply pull it away and lift up. And then you'll have access to the back of the door. And okay, so hopefully you can see this. Looks like this cable I failed to secure well enough because it was just hanging loose here. The other one, if you want to, you can just take it off. You loosen it up from the bracket, twist, and it pops out. So I'm going to put this one back and notch it back into its spot. And this one should go here and notch in that spot. That should fix me. Okay, so with that part fixed, to put it back on, simply lift it up and we should be able to slide it right back on top. And then go ahead and you'll see the tabs. Go ahead and align those with the holes and work your way down and click the whole door back into place. With it clicked back into place, go ahead and reinstall your two screws. And finally, put that plastic piece back in. Hey, it works. All right, well that's it. That's how you pull off a rear door panel, and in my case, how you fix a handle that just won't open the door. In my case, it was literally just user error. Didn't connect the cables right last time. Hope this helps. If you like the content, please like and subscribe, and until next time, have a good one.